The Chaos by Gerard Nolst Trenité. Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you my verse. Sounds like corpse, core, horse, and verse. I will keep you, Suzy, busy. Make your head with heat grow dizzy. Tear an eye, your dress will tear. So shall I, oh, hear my prayer. Just compare hard beard and herd, dies and diet, lords and word. Sword and sword, retired and bridden. Mind the letter, how it's written. Now I surely will not plague you with such words as plague and ague, but be careful how you speak. Say break and stake, but bleak and streak. Clove and oven, how and low. Script, receipt, show, poem, and toe. Hear me say, devour of trickery. Daughter, laughter, and terpsichore. Typhoid, measles, topsails, oils. Exiles, similes, and reviles. Scholar, vicar, and cigar. Solar, mica, woven far. One enamour, bell marvel. Kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel. Gertrude, German, win and mine. Scene, melpomene, mankind. Billet does not rhyme with ballet. Bouquet, wallet, mallet, chalet. Blood and flood are not like food, nor is mould like should and would. Whiskus, why count, loud and broad. Toward, to forward, to reward. Any pronunciation's okay when you correctly say croquet. Rounded, wounded, grieve and sieve. Friend and fiend, alive and live. Ivy, privy, famous, clamour. And enamour, rhyme with hammer. River, rival, tomb, bomb, comb. Dole and roll, and summon home. Stranger does not rhyme with anger, neither does devour with clangour. Souls but foul, haunt but aunt. Font, front, won't, grand and grant. Shoes, goes, does. Now first say finger, and then singer, ginger, linger. Real, zeal, mauve, gouge, engage. Marriage, foliage, mirage, and age. Query does not rhyme with very, nor does fury sound like berry. Dust, lost, post, and doth, cloth, loath. Job, knob, bosom, transom, oath. Though the differences seem little, we say actual but little. Refer does not rhyme with defer. Pfeffer does, and zephyr, heifer. Mint, pint, senate, and sedate. Dull, bull, and George at late. Scenic, Arabic, Pacific. Science, conscience, scientific. Liberty, library, heave, in heaven. Rachel, Ike, moustache, 11. We say hallowed but aloud. People, leopard, toad but wowed. Mark the differences moreover between mover, cover, clover. Leeches, breeches, voice precise. Shaleless but police and lice. Camel, constable, unstable. Principal, disciple, label. Pedal, panel, and canal. Wait, surprise, plet, promise, pal. Vermin, storm. Chaise, chaos, chair. Senator, spectator, mayor. Tour, but hour and sucker, for. Gas, alas, and Arkansas. Sea, idea, Korea, area. Psalm, Maria, but malaria. Youth, south, southern, cleanse and clean. Doctrine, turpentine, marine. Compare alien with Italian. Dandelion with battalion. Sally with ally, yea, ye. I, way, and key. Say a word, but ever fever. Neither leisure, skein, deceiver. Heaven, granary, canary. Crevice and device, and airy. Face, but preface, not efface. Phlegm, phlegmatic, ass, glass, base. Large, but target, gin, give, verging. Out, joust, and scour, scourging. Ear, but earn, and wear and tear. Do not rhyme with here but air. 7 is right, but so is even. Hyphen, roughen, nephew, Stephen. Monkey, donkey, Turk, and jerk. Ask, grasp, wasp, and cork, and work. Pronunciation. Think of psyche. Is a paling stout and spiky? Won't it make you lose your wits? Riding groats and sighing grits. It's a dark abyss or tunnel, strewn with stones, stout solace gunnel. Islington and Isle of Wight, Housef, verdict, and indict. Finally, which rhymes with enough. Dough, through, plough, or dough, or cough. Hiccup has the sound of cup. My advice is to give up.